Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me again today. We're doing another great little card set using the Little Monkey stamp set and punch. So this comes in a bundle, super cute. But today we are going to make, I'm just going to give you a sneak peek, a little 3x3 gift card and a cute tag. So this is perfect for a little baby gift. I would say for a boy, but you know, you could do a girl too. Just maybe change your colors out. Instead of green and brown, you could do pink and gray or whatever you want to do. I think this is super cute. So we're going to use even more new products. So let me show you what we're going to do. Let's start out with our gift card. So I am using the new Lemon Lolly cardstock. Now this is a 3x3 card, but I normally make, this is cut just a little bit. Let's see, we're gonna do 3x3. I'm gonna move it over just a hair. I cut my card a little smaller than 3x3 only because it fits in the envelope a little better. So I do it like 2 and just a hair over 2 and 7/8 by about 5 7/8, so that it's a little smaller than 3x3 and then it fits in the envelope a little better. I'll show you. Here's our little 3x3 envelope. Fits in because it's just a hair shorter, so fits in a little easier. Otherwise, sometimes I struggle with getting it in. Okay. So we've got our card base out of the Lemon Lolly, and then I've used a piece of Parakeet Party and a piece of Pecan Pie. So these are gonna layer just like this, but we're gonna do a little stamping first. So I'm going to take this fun kind of tropical leafed image out of the stamp set, and I'm using Shaded Spruce for my ink. And I'm just gonna do a fun little background using this leaf, and just kind of have this coming around all different directions. I think that's good. All right, and then let's set that aside, and we're going to use that on our tag in a minute. Okay, so we can go ahead and adhere these 3 pieces together. I think this Little Monkey stamp set is just super cute. And of course, you know, having the punch, and we must always have all the punches. You know, so if I can't stand to not have a punch when it comes out. So those are kind of always on the beginning of my list to purchase. Okay, I'm going to use the Little Monkey. I need something to stamp this on here. The Little Monkey Sentiment. Well, that's not very dark here. Let me grab my tag I'm going to use so I can see what we're doing here. Okay, so I stamped that in Pecan Pie. And then we're going to just flag the ends real quick. All right. And then let's pop this up, and then we're going to stamp our monkey. I'm just putting one on there. We don't need a lot. I'm gonna put this at an angle. All right, got a piece of just basic white, and it's a scrap. I'm gonna stamp my monkey right there. And I'm gonna put my arm in this, so let's close that up as well. And we'll do a little coloring. So I'm using Pecan Pie because that goes with our Pecan Pie. And for those that do like to do a little extra shading, we're gonna just do just a tad tad bit more shading on this one than we did on Thursday. Just adding just a little bit. He doesn't need much. Just kind of do around there. Not a lot. Okay. And we come in with our lighter shade. Color in the rest of him. All right, so I got new glasses a couple weeks ago, and they're not the best with close up for some reason. So once I start staring at something to color, I kind of go cross-eyed. I'm like, wait, I can't see what I'm doing. Does that stop me? Absolutely not. Usually I take my glasses off and get my head right up close to it so I can see, but then my head would be in the camera, and we don't need to look at that. Okay. Got a little blending there. Okay, let's just color in his tummy. And then we can do a little bit of blending around our darker areas. I went out of the lines. Well, that does not surprise me at all. Okay, let's do his face, and I will post all the blends that I used on my blog, so the link is in the description. So you can always look there for your supplies. Okay, let's go ahead and punch him out. Let's see, that looks good. So you always punch upside down so you can see where you're punching and you can get everything lined up perfectly. Okay, let's pop this baby up here. Cute baby monkey. So sweet. That's it. It's 3x3. You don't have to go crazy. All right, let's make our tags. So our tag's gonna match. So I used for the tag, I cut out 2 full tags, and then I cut out a half a tag. So I cut out a full one, then I cut it in half, so I can use this later. So this is from the new Countryside Corners dies, and it has like a huge one, and then it goes down and down, and then it's got this fun little sweet banner, and then a little rectangular sentiment or thing for sentiments here. And we're going to be using this in our card class, so you might want to make sure to mark your date or your calendar for May 18th for our online card class. All right, let's stamp. We want it to coordinate, so we're going to use the same type of colors. So we're going to do a fun leaf on the bottom of our tag. Okay. And then we're going to stamp a little monkey up here at the top on our white, but let me adhere this down so I can kind of get a good idea of where I want to stamp my sentiment. So you kind of got to get everything in place. I have a little strip right here that I'm going to just kind of make a little border. I'm going to just butt that up, and then you can trim it off. Okay, and then let's stamp a little monkey right up here. I want to leave room for a circle. I am going to punch you could do a circle, or you could do a slot, or whatever you want to do for your ribbon. To put this on your gift bag. Okay. I'm going to adhere this to the larger pecan pie layer. Just think these make great tags. I love this thing. Okay, I'm just going to punch a hole. I'm going to do a 1/8 inch circle right here at the top. So you can use, you know, whatever you have. Let's pop up our monkey. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, now we do have some new pecan pie ribbon that would look gorgeous with this. I do not have that in yet. Contrary to popular belief, demonstrators do not get everything all at once. As much as we want it, we do have to control ourselves and budget ourselves. So that is, it will be here soon. But that's it. Isn't that cute? But you know what? Let's see. Do I have something? No. I do not. I thought I had some embellishments, but I think I took them down for my class tomorrow night. But, you know, if you want, we have some really cute new embellishments in our catalog. Let me see. I want to show you the one I'm thinking of. It is, we've got these cute little oval ones, and we have that in pecan pie. And then, what are the ones I'm thinking of? These, no, those are in colors, but those would also go, even though that is copper clay, that would look really pretty. Number 7, yep, pecan pie. Super cute. I don't have these either. I have to wait for them. I have to wait. But they're coming. So use what embellishments you have, or just let them go like this. I think they're super cute like this. All right, well, that's it for today. Check back on Monday. I've got one more card. It's a card that we did at our catalog launch party. Super cute, super simple. Yeah, so thanks so much, everybody. Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.